First, you are going to set up your BIOS utility, then click boot, then ID configuration, power maintenance, boot device priority, then first boot device, floppy drive, then CD-ROM, click CD-ROM, choose CD, press enter for this option, then second boot, hard drive, press F10 for save and exit, then OK for this option. Okay, so we're going to look on how to install Windows 7. It's not that different from Windows Vista, so we're not going to spend too much time here, and all we see some of the changes, and we see it's loading up the files. Now we see the starting Windows. Now we see a familiar screen. Now we are asked which language what we want, also the time and currency format, and keyboard or input method, then click next after it. And here we are asked if we want to install Windows 7. Then we are asked about the license agreement, so we want to accept. And now we are asked of what type of installation we want. In this case, we don't have Windows Vista, so we are going to choose custom, which we install for a new copy. And then we are asked if we want to install Windows 7. In this case, we only have at least, now we only have a minimum server of 20 gigs and minimum requirements. So next. Now we see the installing Windows, where we see the features of copying the files, expanding the files, installing features, installing updater. Now we are going to wait for a while. Set up a continue after restarting your computer. Then starting Windows. You see starting Windows. Set up starting services. Now we are asked to provide a username and a computer name. Next, and then password, and then we type it. Next, then we need to establish our settings for Windows Update, then set our time. Next, then next after setting it.